Let's go through your HotBot installer pack. All the HotBot parts you need are in this box. Some kits will be this size and some may be smaller, depending on the configuration. This is the HotBot controller, the brain behind everything. It processes data from different sensors and connects all the dots, which lets us manage the system. To mount HotBot, you can use the supplied multi-purpose screws to drill into concrete or wooden walls, or the cable ties to attach it to wooden beams. This extra power cable can be wired between HotBot and the thermostat. It comes with a short stripped end and a longer stripped end. The short stripped end connects to HotBot and the longer stripped end connects to the thermostat. Included are a number of sensors that are color-coded to match the right ports on HotBot. These sensors work together to give HotBot the data it needs to make intelligent decisions. The yellow temperature sensor measures the internal water heater temperature and connects to the thermostat. Don't confuse this with the plumber's programming port on HotBot. The red sensor measures outlet temperature. The white moisture sensor helps to detect leaks. The blue sensor measures inlet temperature. The green sensor measures flow through the flow meter. The bidirectional flow meter measures water flow, which helps HotBot calculate customer savings. It comes with compression fittings, making the flow meter plumbing a breeze. The auto shut-off valve allows HotBot to switch water off in case of a leak or burst. It is color-coded black as seen on the label here. These cable ties are used for cable management to route all of the sensor cables neatly. They help neaten up the installation before you leave. Lastly, but most importantly, there's a HotBot starter kit inside your installer pack. You'll pass this on to the resident after installation. The starter kit contains a unique code for their HotBot, which is used to link the resident and their HotBot during the onboarding process. The starter kit also guides the resident on what to expect when using the Plentify app, such as setting routines and tracking savings. That covers everything in a HotBot installer pack. If you have any questions, the installer manual and our support team are always here to help.